Here's your stock throttle body. It's dirty too. So once he puts on that throttle body, he's gonna download the tune into the car. I sent him through the email. And then I guess we might do a re-pull. We might do another pull. I don't know. This looks a lot better than the old one. It looks a lot better and it's bigger. Look at that. New throttle body's back on. I'm probably gonna come see it. And it's downloading. I'll show you. I checked the bar earlier. It was going up pretty fast, so it should be done. It looks like it's about to turn the car on. You said what?
Are you recording this too?
Yeah. Alright, now he turned the fans on. Now it's about to get super loud. Difference?
Yeah, I mean, it even picked up more than 30 in some spots. Especially up here. That's,
oh yeah, 522. That is a big difference.
Oh yeah, I mean, across the whole range. If you're wanting, you still at least see the gain, you know, between having it and not having it.
Oh yeah, yeah. You feel it too.
Yeah, it's just feel a lot perkier.
Okay.
Alright, I'll print the best out from, this is the best one from the first ones, and then the best one out of these two. The heat just took some back out of it, so I mean,
okay.
That's to be expected, so these are basically the best of before and after.
Oh, they got some nice cars in here. There's some nice cars in here. So it said it picked up 30 wheel horsepower. That's actually 32 wheel horsepower. That's crazy just from a throttle body. I don't know if something's wrong or maybe the dyno is just really, I don't know. I don't want to say it's a bad dyno, but it's just the numbers are low. Whenever I was completely bone stock, I think actually all I had was a cold air intake. But I raced that scat pack in my first video, my very first YouTube video, or my second one, I don't know. Either way, we raced and all I had was a JLT cold air intake. And he told me whenever we raced, I said, how much power are you making? He said like 470 or like, yeah, 475 or 470 wheel horsepower. I can't remember, somewhere around there. And whenever we raced, we tied. And then we had a rematch, same mods. I didn't have anything new. I just switched up my shifting, or shifted up my RPM shifting, and I won a few times. So I don't understand. I doubt that I'm at 520 wheel horsepower. That's what it says. It said I'm at 522 wheel horsepower. I don't know, I'll probably take it to another dyno. If you guys know a popular dyno shop in Houston and the numbers come out pretty good or they're pretty satisfying, yeah, send me to that shop, because I do know a few of them. I know a lot of them. I just don't know. I didn't know that my numbers were going to be so low. I'm ready to see the difference, and I'll probably start probably start racing some people. I don't know. I haven't raced in a long time. Haven't rematched people. Now I'm full bolt on finally. I've been waiting to be full bolt on. I don't know what my next mod is gonna be. Could be interior, could be cosmetic. The car is already fast to me, and then especially after adding the headers, I don't know if I'll be able to take off in second gear this time without spinning, because it seems like in second it wants to spin, and first it spins like crazy now. Hopefully, it's a big difference. So whenever I step on the throttle, I hear weird sound. It sounds like a high-pitched, I don't know, a high-pitched noise. I'm gonna check to see if he put in my my wine mod back on proper. I think that might be what it is. The sound tube. Throttle body looks fine. Sound tube looks pretty loose. I don't know if you put this on right. Down here it's fine. I'm trying to see what could be wrong. I don't know. I'll probably give her some throttle, because he didn't say it had any problems whenever he was flooring it doing the dyno. So, but maybe he couldn't hear it because he did have those headphones on. I'll give it some pulls and see what happens.